Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, yesterday we have learned the solutions for the question number 1 to 5, and in the today's class we will take the question number from the question number 6 of exercise 6.2. All the questions we will take in the today's class. See in a question number 6 what is given. In a question number 6, see here in a figure, in this figure A, B and C. A, B and C are the points on the points on OP, OQ and OR, OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. Here given as this AB line, I will mark here, see here, this AB is parallel to PQ. This AB line parallel to PQ is given, and AC parallel to PR, this one, which AC, this line I will mark two lines here, AC parallel to PR, this is given. AC is parallel to PR is given. Now what we have to show here, we have to show that BC, this line BC parallel to QR, we have to show here. See here how to show this. First I will write given data, see the solution. Given, what is given here, AB parallel to PQ, AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. This is a given data. And what we have to prove? To prove or to show BC parallel to QR, we have to show here. BC parallel to QR, we have to show here. That is to prove. And see here proof. ये कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं हम? BC parallel to QR. When BC parallel to QR is possible, when this, see here, in the triangle OQR, in the triangle OQR, if we show that this OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, OC by CR, that is this line BC divides the side OQ and OR in the same ratio, then only we can say that BC is parallel to QR. For that we have to show that this OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. This is our target. First we have to show this, then only we can say that BC is parallel to QR. How to show this? Now see in a triangle POQ, in a triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, see here what is given. In a triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ is given. AB is parallel to PQ, it is a given. Why? What is the reason? It is given. Therefore if AB is parallel to PQ, can we apply the BPD theorem here? Yes. Therefore OA divided by AP, OA divided by AP is equal to OB divided by BQ, OB divided by BQ. By which theorem? By BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Now in a triangle, mark it as equation number 1. Now in triangle, which triangle we have to use here? Now we have to use the triangle POR. Now in triangle POR, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR given. AC is parallel to PR. It is given data. It is given. Therefore, AC is parallel to PR. Then can we apply again BPT theorem here? Yes. OA divided by AP, OA divided by AP is equal to OC divided by CR, OC divided by CR. By which theorem? By BPT theorem. Mark it as equation number 2. Now see here, if from equation number 1 and 2, observe equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. See here, LHS of equation 1 and LHS of equation 2 both are same. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, here LHS are same. Therefore, we can say that RHS are also same. From 1 and 2, OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. Here we got OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. That is OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. I will write here. In triangle OQR, in triangle OQR, I will mark it as a equation number 3. Mark it as equation number 3. In triangle OQR, OB divided by BQ, OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. What is the reason? From 3. In equation number 3 we got this. OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. In equation number from equation number 3 we got this. Therefore, see here point B and C divides the side OQ and OR in the same ratio. Therefore, point B and C divides side OQ and OR in the same ratio. Therefore, BC parallel to QR. Therefore, line BC parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. That is by converse of BPT. Hence, proved. This only we have to prove here. Write down this. Now we will see question number 7. See in question number 7 what is given. Using theorem 6.1. We have to use the theorem 6.1. What is the theorem 6.1 here? Theorem 6.1 is BPT theorem. Prove that, using the BPT theorem, prove that a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. Midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. See here, by drawing the diagram, I will explain. We will consider one triangle. This triangle name is triangle ABC. I have to consider here. Suppose the triangle ABC is there, and prove that, what we have to prove? Prove that a line is drawn through the midpoint of a one side of a triangle. एक midpoint consider करेंगे. Suppose the point D is a midpoint of a side AB. Side AB का D midpoint है. One side of a triangle parallel to other side. D is a midpoint है side AB का. Then what we have to draw? We draw a parallel line to the BC. BC को एक parallel line लगाना है from the point B. Okay. From the point D मैंने क्या किया? I have drawn the parallel line to the BC. BC को parallel line लगा दिया यहाँ पर. Then parallel to another side bisects the third side. It will bisect the third side, means DE. यहाँ पर क्या आपको प्रूव करना है? We know that this AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB because we have assumed the D is a midpoint. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that AE is equal to EC. That only given in a triangle ABC. Given in triangle ABC, D is a midpoint. B is a midpoint of side AB. Side AB. That is AD is equal to DB. अगर D midpoint है AB का, then AD is equal to DB होगा. And DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC because here given as point of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. This line is parallel to another side, that is a BC. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. It is also given data. Then what we have to prove? To prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Bisects the third side means AC also bisects this point. E bisects the AC means what we have to prove here? Bisects means AE is equal to EC. We have to prove here. ये point E AC को bisect करता है. That only we have to prove here. That is AE is equal to EC. We have to prove here. Proof. See in a proof. In a triangle, in triangle ABC, we know that DE is parallel to BC. What is the reason? It is a given. DE is parallel to BC. It is a given. Therefore, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. What is the reason? By BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Now, but AD is equal to DB is given. But AD is equal to DB is given. Therefore, AD is equal to DB is given. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to 1. Therefore, we got AD is equal to DB यहाँ पर दिया है. Therefore, we got AD by DB is equal to 1. क्योंकि AD and DB अगर same है, then it will become 1 only. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC is equal to 1. AE by EC is equal to 1. Because AD by DB is equal to 1 है, and AD by DB is equal to AE by EC है. Therefore, this ratio is equal to 1. Therefore, AE by EC is equal to 1. Now send this EC towards right hand side. Therefore, AE is equal to EC. We got AE is equal to EC. If we send EC towards right hand side, it will go to the multiplication. 1 into EC is equal to EC. See here, what we want in a proof? In a proof we want AE is equal to EC. Here we got AE is equal to EC. Hence proved. Write down this. Now we will see question number 9. See, in a question number 9, what is given? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC is given. First I will draw along with the question. See here, ABCD is a trapezium. I have to draw the ABCD trapezium with AB side parallel to BC. AB side parallel to DC. See here. First I will draw here ABCD is a trapezium. Here this is a B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to BC is given, DC, and its diagonal intersect each other at point O, and इसके diagonals intersects at point O. Point O पे intersect करते हैं इसको. See here, this is one diagonal and AC is another diagonal. The diagonal BD and AC intersects at point O. Point O पे intersect करते हैं. Then what we have to show here? We have to show that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. This we have to prove here. See here. First I will write given data. Given in a trapezium ABCD, in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. Side AB is parallel to DC is given. To prove, what we have to prove here? AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. This we have to prove. To prove this, here we need a one construction. See here, what we need a construction here. Construction. Draw a line EO. Draw a line EO. Draw a line EO which is parallel to साइड AB. साइड AB को पैरेलल होना चाहिए, ऐसा लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. EO फ्रॉम पॉइंट E which is on side AD. साइड AD पे एक पॉइंट E लेना है and from that point we have to draw one line which is parallel to, I have to take a one point E on a side AD and draw one line which is parallel to AB. AB को parallel line लगाना है to the point O, that is EO. Draw a line EO which is parallel to the side AB side AB from a point E, from the point E which is on the side AD. This point E कहाँ पर है? Side AD पे. Okay, now see the proof. Proof. See here, what we want in a proof. What we want in a proof? AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO we want in the proof. For this, what we want here? Here we have to consider one of the common, yes, one of the common point we have to consider here, that is here AE divided by ED. This ratio we have to take a common. In which triangle this ratio will become a common? See here, in a triangle, if we consider two triangles, I will mark by another. See here. In a triangle ABD, ABD में भी EO is a parallel to AB होगा, correct है ना? EB is parallel to EO is parallel to AB होगा in this triangle. And one more triangle is there. See, another triangle is in this triangle also. See here. In a triangle, sorry, थोड़ा line नीचे गया. See here. In this triangle, in a triangle ADC, in a triangle ADC may be this ratio AE by ED ratio is a same. Therefore, we will use that and we have to prove here. See how to prove this. First, I will consider triangle ADC. In a triangle ADC, in a triangle ADC, in a triangle ADC, see here, first AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. It is given. AB is parallel to DC. It is a given data. And EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. What is the reason? EO is parallel to AB by construction. By construction. You can write by construction. Therefore, can we say that this EO is parallel to DC? Can we say that EO is parallel to DC? EO is parallel to DC बोल सकते हैं ना? EO अगर AB को parallel है and AB DC को parallel है, therefore EO is also parallel to DC. Therefore EO is parallel to DC. Therefore अगर EO parallel to DC है in a triangle ADC, can we apply the BPD theorem? Yes. AE divided by ED, AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by OC. AO divided by OC. We will apply the BPD theorem. AO divided by OC. यहाँ पर एक सिंगल ही लाइन है, ये वो गलती से हुआ है. Okay. AO divided by OC. Mark it as equation number 1. What is the reason? By BPT theorem. By BPT. I will write next here. See here. Now in triangle we will consider this red wala triangle, that is ABD. In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB by construction. Construction से हमने parallel निकाला है, by construction. Therefore AE divided by ED is equal to BO divided by OD. BO divided by OD. What is the reason? By BPT theorem. By BPT. Mark it as equation number 2. Now see here, from equation number 1 and 2, observe LHS are same. Yes, here LHS are same. Therefore RHS must be equal. From 1 and 2, AO divided by OC is equal to BO divided by OD. AO divided by OC is equal to BO divided by OD. Now send this OC towards right hand side. See here, in a proof what we want, AO divided by BO want. AO divided by BO want and CO divided by DO we want. But here we got AO divided by OC and BO divided by OD we got. Now send this OC towards right hand side. If we send this OC towards right hand side, it will go to the numerator, and send this BO towards left hand side, it will go to the denominator. Therefore AO divided by BO is equal to OC divided by OD. This is only we want, hence proof. Write down this. Now we will see question number 10. See in a question number 10, what is given? Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. Here quadrilateral is given. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersects each other at a point O. Intersects each other at a point O, such that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Here we have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. See, first I will draw the trapezium. ABCD trapezium में आपको प्रूव करना है. That is exactly reverse of a question number 9. Question number 9 का reverse है ये. In a question number 9, there is a given ABCD is a trapezium, and we have to prove that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. This ratio we have to prove. But here we have to prove that the ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium, we have to prove. What is given? Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. Diagonals are intersect at point O. First we will draw diagonal. Here, this is the one diagonal, and this one is second diagonal. This one is a second diagonal which will intersect at point O. See here, first I will write the given data. What is given? Given AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Here it is given that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. It is a given, and what we have to show? To prove ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. To be ABCD अगर trapezium आपको prove करना है, what we have to prove here? Here we have to prove that AB is parallel to DC. Side AB is parallel to DC है, आपको prove करना है. How to prove? See here, to prove this we need a one construction. First I have to make one construction. See, what is the construction? Draw a line EO. Draw a line EO parallel to AB. Parallel to side AB. Side AB को parallel line लगाना है आपको. I have to draw the line EO which is parallel to side AB. This is a line EO which is parallel to the side AB. Side AB को parallel line मारना है आपको. Okay, EO is a line parallel to the side AB. Proof. Whatever we have did in a question number 9 na, same procedure we have to follow here. Same procedure we have to follow here. Now see here, in a triangle ABD, in a triangle ABD, AE divided by ED. In a triangle ABD, first I have to write EO parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. What is the reason? By construction. Now, therefore, if EO is parallel to AB, can we apply the BPD theorem here? Yes, we can apply the BPD theorem. AE divided by ED is equal to BO divided by OD. By BPD theorem. Now, see here. Now we have to apply the same thing in the triangle ADC also. In a triangle ADC, before that we will use the given data. According to given data, see what is given here. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. According to given data, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It is a given. Now, can we send this BO towards right hand side and CO towards left hand side? Okay, see here. If we send BO towards right hand side, it will go to the numerator. It is AO divided by, and CO towards left hand side, then it will go to the denominator. AO divided by CO is equal to, send this BO towards right hand side, it will go to the numerator. BO divided by DO. Mark it as a equation number. First mark this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation number 1 and 2, see here. RHS of equation number 1 and 2 both are same or not? BO divided by OD is equal to BO divided by DO. Either DO or OD both are same only. Therefore RHS of equation 1 and 2 are same. Can we equate LHS also? Yes. Therefore from 1 and 2, AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by CO. AO divided by CO. See here, AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by CO or OC we got here. Okay, now in triangle, mark it as equation number 3. In triangle ADC, now in triangle ADC, we got here AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by OC. AO divided by OC from 3 OC or CO from 3. Therefore we can say here E and point O. Therefore point E and O divides side AD and AC in same ratio. Therefore by using converse of BPT, we can say that EO is parallel to DC. But we have assumed, but EO is parallel to AB. By construction we have assumed it. By construction we have drawn the EO is parallel to AB. Therefore we can say that AB is parallel to DC. Therefore AB is parallel to EC, we can say that, because EO is parallel to DC and EO is also parallel to AB. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. Hence proved. This only we want in the proof. EO is parallel to AB. Sorry, what we want in the proof? ABCD is a trapezium, we have to prove here. ABCD is a trapezium, we have to prove. If I got here AB is parallel to DC, therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Copy down everything. And homework is question number 8. Question number 8 we have to solve as a homework, and question number 8 is similar to the question number 7. Along with this, you have to practice of the theorem 6.1 and theorem 6.2, that is BPD theorem and converse of BPD theorem. You have to practice it. This is the homework. Question number 8 from the exercise 6.2, and you have to practice the theorem 6.1 and 6.2, that is BPD theorem and converse of BPD theorem. You have to practice it. Bye students.